Good morning, everyone. My name is Kavirasi. I would like to share a quote today. Your destiny is determined by the choices you make, so choose wisely. This quote was said by Roy P. Bennett. My thought on this quote is that your, the choices of your past determine your future. So choose wisely. Thank you.
Find the Z parameters of the following two-port network. How it can be found? Let us redraw this circuit. What is the direction of current here? I1. Here, what is the direction of current here? This is I2. Let us assume that here the current is, loop current is I1. Here the loop current is I3. Loop current is I3. Here the loop current is I2. The loop current is I2. Why I put in this direction? Normally, what way we will put? We will put in clockwise always. But we can put any direction. We can put any direction. Listen here, it is important. We can put any direction. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. It is up to us. But while finding, we have to consider both currents are in the same direction or opposite direction. That's what we have to see while writing equation. Here, why I put this anti-clockwise? This because then only it will match this I2. Because the direction of port current is inward. Always in both ports inwards. That is the assumption we made. If you put anti-clockwise, then only I2 will be inward. That's why I put anti-clockwise. That is very important. Now we have to write the equation. You can write KVL for each loop, or you can put by looking into the circuit, we can write the equation. That also we know. That way we can easily write. That way, if you want to write, that can be quickly we can write. What are the parameters? R11, R12, R13, R21, R22, R23, R31, R32, R33. I1, I2 and I3. That is equal to V1, V2, V3. So what is R11? Sum of the resistances in the first loop. That is what, how much? That is 16 plus 5, 21. R12 common to first loop and second loop. In the second loop, what is the direction of current? Direction of current is in same direction. I1 is from top to bottom, I2 also from top to bottom. That's why positive. Plus common to both is 16 ohm. That's why plus 16. Then R13 common to 1 and 3. What is the direction of current? Direction of current is opposite. That's why minus 5. Minus 5. What is the voltage in the first loop? V1. Voltage in the voltage is V1. Let us assume that it is 1 volt. Deliberately, we are assuming that it is 1 volt. V2 also 1 volt. Deliberately, we are assuming, we are giving some 1 volt source to find the impedances. That's why this is equal to I1, I2, I3 equal to 1 volt. Because along the current direction, there is a rise in potential. The wordings are important. Along the current direction, there is a rise in potential. That's why positive. Second loop. Second loop, what is the sum of the resistances? R22 is 26. Am I correct or not? 26. Common to 1 and 2. Current direction is same. That's why 16. Common to 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 10 ohm. What is the direction of current? Same direction. That's why 10 positive. I2 and I3 through 10 ohm is same direction. Here, I2 and I3 are in the same direction. That's why plus 10. Now we can go to the third equation. Third equation, what is the sum of the resistances? How much? Third, 10 plus 10 plus 5, 25. 25. Common to 2 and 3 is 10 ohm. Already we got. Common to 1 and 3 is 5 ohm, but current direction is opposite. That's why minus 5. Yes, we got. You can assume this also V1 itself, no problem. If you assume V1, need not be put 1 volt. Okay, let it be V1 and V2. V1, V2. What is voltage in the third loop? 0. That's all. So now we got 3 equations, 3 unknowns. Let us assume that V1 and V2 we know. V1, V2 we know. 3 unknowns, that is I1, I2, I3. But what is Z parameters? V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Z22 I2. Here I3 is not there. That's why we have to eliminate I3 by using first and 3. What are the 3 equations? 21, 16, minus 5. I1, I2, I3 equal to V1. Third equation, minus 5 I1 plus 10 I2 plus 25 I3 equal to 0. Eliminate I3. Multiply the first equation by 5. This is first equation. This is second equation. 1 multiplied by 5. How much? 105. 105 I1 plus 80, no? 80 I2 minus 25 I3 equal to 5 times V1. Second equation you can write as such, minus 5 I1 plus 10 I2 plus 25 I3 equal to 0. If you add these two together, what you will get? 100 I1 plus 90 I2. Divide by 5, what you will get? 20 I1 plus 18 I2 equal to V1. So we got, therefore, Z11 is 20, Z12 is 18. We got. Compare these two. Compare this and this. V1 equal to 20 I1 plus 18 I2 we got. One equation we got. Similarly, take second equation and third equation. Second equation is what? 16 I1 plus 26 I2 plus 10 I3 equal to V2. And that is third equation. Fourth equation is third equation. Sorry, this is second equation. Third equation is minus 5 I1 plus 10 I2 plus 25 I3 equal to 0. So multiply the second equation by 2.5. 40 I1 2 multiplied by 2.5, 40 I1, 65, am I correct? Check whether I am correct or not. Plus 25 I3 equal to 2.5 V2. I subtract this third equation from this fourth equation. Subtract third from fourth, you will get 40 minus of minus 5 plus 5, 45 I2, I1, 45 I1. 65 minus 10, 55 plus 55 I2. These two getting cancelled equal to 2.5 V2. Divide the entire equation by 2.5. 18 I1 equal to divide by 2.5. 18 I1, 18 I1, 55 divided by 2.5, how much? 20, yes, plus 22, yes, 22 I2 equal to V2. Yes, we got this equation. Second equation also we got. Therefore, Z11 equal to 20, Z12 equal to 18, Z21 equal to also equal to 18, Z22 equal to 22. Yes, we got the parameters.